Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by assembling the essentials. This is not theory, it's nuts and bolts. You need a vacuum chamber and superconducting coil mounted to a vibration-isolated platform because external noise destroys delicate fields. Once done, connect a 3 kW regulated power supply and a precision gyroscope for inertial reference and set your laptop to record telemetry at 1000 Hz. Make sure to install an emergency cutoff. If fields spike, hit it, don't improvise. Next, you generate the spacetime manipulating field. Precision matters. Win the coil to spec so turns are uniform and resistance hits about 0. 8 ohm, because uneven windings create chaotic gradients. Then cool the coil to superconducting temperature, around 4. 2K, so currents persist without loss. Once stable, initiate a controlled ramp to 1 Tesla over 120 seconds while logging field gradients and inertial drift. If gradients appear, pause. Adjust current profile to smooth transitions, because sharp changes induce instabilities. Finally, you stabilize the device and perform verification tests. Engage a phase lock loop to damp oscillations and aim for jitter under 0. 1 second because timing errors amplify effects. Run a short probe trial, 10 seconds, while recording all relativistic indicators and gyroscopic drift, then compare pre-run baselines. If you detect unexpected anomalies, reduce the field by 50% and recalibrate sensors before retrying. This quick rollback prevents cumulative damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.